In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sections in Microsoft Forms. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the free Microsoft 365 online service provided by Microsoft. This online portal gives you access to a range of productivity tools without the need to install any software on your computer. Once you are on the website, locate the option to sign in. Clicking on sign in will allow you to access your account and the suite of applications offered by Microsoft. This step is essential because you will need to be authenticated to be able to create and modify your forms. After successful sign in, your next task is to navigate to Microsoft Forms. There is a specific web address dedicated to Microsoft Forms provided by Microsoft. When you are within the Microsoft Forms environment, you will notice various options to create or edit forms. At this point, take a moment to review the existing forms, or start with a new one if you are ready to create from scratch. Selecting a form is the next action you should take. Simply choose the form that you wish to add sections to so that your form is organized and easier to understand for your respondents. Once you have selected the form you want to work on, you will need to add a new question element. This step might seem like you are adding a question, but it serves as the gateway to accessing additional structure and design features for your form. When you click to add a new question, you will eventually see an option that allows you to insert a section in your form. This option is clearly labelled as section, and selecting it will split your form into distinct parts, making it much more navigable and structured. To complete the process of creating sections, simply click on the section option. Once you do this, Microsoft Forms will automatically create a new section divider in your selected form. This helps in organising the questions into separate segments, allowing you to manage lengthy forms more effectively. Organising complex forms in this manner is especially helpful when dealing with multiple topics, or when designing a survey that requires clear separation of different question categories. By following these steps, you have successfully created a new section in Microsoft Forms. The process is both straightforward and efficient, with each click bringing you closer to a well-organised form. Enjoy the improved workflow and the clarity that comes with having your questions grouped into sections.